Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is height and distance, chapter from trigonometric application of trigonometry. So let's start the session. See this in this we will calculate the heights and distances of towers, buildings, okay, using trigonometric ratios, okay, trigonometric ratios. Simple. And also in this we will see some words like angle of depression. We should be familiar with this word, angle of depression and angle of elevation. Okay, what does this word means, angle of depression and elevation? See, if I am here and watching this tall tower, okay, this is my tower, and if I am viewing this, okay, not from here, once again, this is my tower. If I am here, okay, if I am visualizing this is my line of sight, okay, this is my line of sight. So if I am visualizing this is your foot, this is the foot, this is my foot of the tower, this is your tower, this is your foot. So this angle, this is my line sight angle, okay, line sight angle, and this angle will be alternate to this angle will be alternate to this. So this angle will be alternate to this angle, so that means this angle is equal to this angle. So this is your my angle of depression. Since it is my angle of depression, so and since it is alternate angle, this angle will also be equal to angle of depression, okay. So this will be automatically becomes the angle of depression. And what is your angle of elevation? If I am seeing the top of the tower from the ground, okay, if I am seeing the top of the tower from somewhere in the ground, the angle of elevation, this angle is called my angle of elevation. This is your angle of elevation. So these two words will come continuously. And what is angle of depression? So if you are visualizing from the top, then the angle made with the base and the foot will be your angle of depression. It is how? By the alternate angle property. And the angle of elevation means if you're visualizing something from the ground to the top, okay, this is your top of some building tower, so this will be called your angle of elevation. So things will be more clear if we solve some examples. Okay, so let's see. Question: tower a tower is 100√3 meter high. Find the angle of elevation. Find the angle of elevation if its top. Find the angle of elevation if its top from a point 100 meters away from its foot. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, diagram is very important. Okay, so you should be ensure that the diagram should be correct. Okay, a tower is 100√3 meter high. See, a tower is 100√3 meter high. If I draw a tower, it is your 100√3 meter high. Find the angle of elevation of its top from a point 100 meters. So a point which is 100 meter far away from either this side, or you can take to opposite side also, no problem. So it is 100 meter far away from the base, from its foot. Okay, so a tower is 100√3 meter high. Find the angle of elevation, or if its top, angle of elevation, we have to find the angle of elevation. Okay, so that means they are asking your theta. Okay, so we have to find this value of theta, and this is always your 90 degree. Okay, so that means, so we have to find the A, B, C, and find the angle of elevation. We have to calculate theta. So now, so we will see that this is your 90 degree, and the side opposite to 90 is always your hypotenuse. So your AC will work as hypotenuse. Okay, your AC is hypotenuse, and since our consideration angle is theta, so the side opposite to the consideration angle, that is your AB, and it is your 100 root 3, and then the AB is 100 root 3, and this will be your perpendicular, and BC, which is your 100, it is your base. So we will apply the formula tan theta here. The trigonometry ratio tan theta will be suitable because both the values P upon B is given here. So AB upon BC. So AB is your 100 root 3 and BC is your 100. So cancel it, we will get our value root 3. So tan theta is root 3. So tan theta is root 3. So and root 3 means according to a tan theta it is your 60 degree. So the value of theta becomes 60 degree. So the angle of elevation is your 60 degree. Clear? Simple. Yes, let's take another example. Let us check another example. The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, away from the foot of the tower is 30. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay, now the angle of elevation of the top of a top from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, it is given as 30 degree angle of elevation. Okay, in this question they have provided you the angle of elevation. Okay, the angle of elevation is given. So this is your tower. Okay, say, and it is your 30 meter away from the foot, 30 meter away from the foot, and the angle of elevation given from to the top is your 30 degree. It is provided. The angle, okay, this whole data they have given. What they are asking, the height of the tower. If it is your A, B, C, and this is always your 90 degree. Okay, so now they are asking you the height of the tower. They are asking you the height of the tower. That means height of the tower is your AB. So height of the tower is your AB. See, so this is your 30 degree. This is your consideration angle 30 degree. So this, the side opposite to the consideration angle is your always perpendicular. We take as perpendicular. This is your hypotenuse and this is your base. So this is your base. So here we will use the trigonometric ratio as tan 30. So tan 30 means P upon B, P upon B. So what is your P? P is given as AB, and what is your base? Base is here BC. So AB we have to calculate, BC we know it is 30, and tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So this is AB by 30. So AB value will be 30 by root 3. So since root, we cannot place the root in the denominator, so we will do the rationalization. We will do the rationalization, and this will be 30 root 3 by 3, 10 root 3. Okay, so it is our 10 root 3. So the height of the tower will be 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you understood that topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my urban profile app. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.